Hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney and today we are doing our Tiny Tuesdays. I have $30 here and we're gonna just start rolling. We have a lot of new challenges today because last time we finished 5 of them. Actually, we may have finished even more of that. I don't remember, but lots of new challenges today to get started on. So how are y'all doing? How's your Tuesday going so far? I hope you're having a great day. Oh, we keep getting the same numbers. Okay, there's a 4 and a 3. Okay, 5 is getting a lot, my goodness. And 1, oh my goodness. Okay, so, it is the last week of February, guys. How are we feeling about that? Are we ready for March? Is anybody doing March Madness in the saving community? Also, quick question. My sister, who watches my channel, actually, thank you. Hi. Hey, sis. She was saying that it would be cool if I did a video showing like my whole system, like all my binders and everything, and kind of explaining and going through the whole system. So let me know in the comments if you are interested in that, and I can do that for you guys. I also know that a lot of you enjoyed the tutorial that I posted, so I'm trying to think of other tutorials to post. I know someone asked if I could show how I make like scratch off challenges, so I can definitely do that. If you have any other suggestions, let me know down below because I'm happy to do tutorials on literally anything. I just need to know what you guys want to see. So all right, so let's get this organized and we'll start counting up what we saved. All right, so we have this challenge by Overthinking and Budgeting, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each circle is 2, and we actually had $1 from last week, so we have 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and that one is done. All right, so this is going into our finished challenges bag. I'm just going to set it over here for now in case we finish any other challenges. All right, this one is a new one by Plan to Save Designs. We have these cute little bunnies, and we have $2 here. I'm going to make each bunny $1. And we're just going to cross off the little hearts here. Actually, let me use a black one because it's kind of hard to see. There we go. All right, so that one got 2. Then we have this one by Faith Hope Budgeting that says I am enough. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's use this color. We're going to make each circle $2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and half of that one is 5. Okay. All right, next we have this one by Budget with Carly. Cute little kawaii food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Next we have this one by Alexis at Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all of these are freebies, guys. You can find these in the channels, excuse me, that I'll list below. I said 6, right? Let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay. So let's color in these stars. I'm a star. How do you guys draw your stars? I'm just curious because it's like a controversial thing, I guess. I start at the top. I'll show you on the back here. Actually, no, I start right here and I go up, down, and over like that. Is that how y'all do it? I honestly don't even know how long it took me to figure that out, but I remember at one point in my life, I was like, I don't even know how to draw a star, and then I had to look it up and practice. Okay, so there we go, 6 stars for this one. Okay, and our last challenge today is by Dawn at Dawn's Sunrise Budgeting, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to color in 2 of these little Easter eggs here. Are y'all going to be decorating Easter eggs with your kids if you have kids? I've seen some people posting that like eggs are too expensive right now to decorate them, and that they're going to be using potatoes, which I think is so clever. Last year I don't think I did Easter eggs with Aria. I think I was a little maybe overwhelmed at the idea and the mess that it would create, but I have done it with her in the past. I just, I don't know, for some reason last year I just was not feeling it. So maybe this year we'll do something like that. It might be fun. All right, so each one of these is $2. So we have, oh, I just threw my pen on the floor. Okay, so we have $4 with that one. All right, guys, and that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and being here and hanging out with me. I thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed, and if you haven't yet subscribed, you can always do so now. Just a little reminder. So have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow for our scratch-off challenges. Bye.